Welcome to my home hub. Today I'm testing the Tefal Pure Pop Garment Steamer to see if it can smooth out my shirts on the go without me having to set up the ironing board. I'm not after a razor sharp dry clean finish here, just something quick that makes wrinkled shirts look more presentable with less time and fuss. Quick note, the Tefal or T/Fal are the same brand, the name simply changes depending on your country region. In the box comes the steamer with detachable head, instructions, warranty and a travel bag. The velvet pad is for smooth glide over delicate fabrics without causing damage, while the other side of the pad is for picking up lint. And just a warning, don't change the head while a steamer is on, otherwise you'll get burnt. To set up, open the small tank located on the handle, then undo the plastic valve and fill it with tap or demineralized water depending on the hardness of water in your area. Now close the valve and click the tank back into place. Plug into your power socket and turn on the power button located at the bottom of the steamer handle. The indicator at the top will light up and after 15 seconds will then turn off to indicate that the steamer is ready to use. Now press in the steam trigger for a few seconds to prime and then you're ready to go. For my test, I used a wrinkled cotton shirt, the kind that would normally need a full ironing board setup, so let's see if this steamer can at least relax the creases enough to make it wearable. Press the steamer against the material and move vertically from top to bottom, letting the continuous steam and gravity do the work. Overall, the Pure Pop Garment Steamer is ideal for anyone who wants quick, everyday garment touch-ups, turning a too wrinkled to wear shirt into something neat enough to head out of the door with in just a few minutes, and without the hassle of having to set up the ironing board. I think this is a great, convenient and easy to use product. The water tank is pretty small, but other than that, I have no complaints with it. I'll leave some links to where you can find Tefal Pure Pop Garment Steamers and read up on other customer reviews. If you liked this video, consider liking, subscribing, sharing and hitting that notification bell for future DIY tutorials and reviews. And until next time, happy steaming!